What's up, y'all? It's your girl Christian Danielle, aka Mrs. Always In to something. So as you can see, I have my bike. I'm out here on this trail. I don't even know what city I'm in. I think I'm in somewhere in like Rosemead area, somewhere on this bike trail, and I'm about to record on my way back. So we're gonna have like a little bike adventure today. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you already know that I have been trying diligently to get a bike. Okay, I tried the e-bike incentive. I was looking for a bike for the longest time. I wanted a bike because, you know, my little hip back situation, so I needed something else that I could work out on that wasn't going to really cause pain in my back, because don't nobody got time for that. However, I finally got a bike after months and months of going back and forth, and now this is kind of like my new favorite thing to do. This is the bike that I ended up getting. This is the Lectric XP Lite. It was $999, so $1,000. I did buy it directly from the website, so it came with 5 free items, 5 free accessories. It came with like a little what is the thing that you attach to the back? A basket. So I haven't attached the basket, but I can attach a basket if I want to. It came with the extra seat post, and I actually need that extra seat post because look at the bike. Look at this. This was out of the box because there's something in here that scratched this all up. However, Lectric does have amazing customer service. So if I wanted to, I reached out to them and told them what happened, and they said that if I want to, that they will let me go to a bike shop and they will fix whatever is in here scratching up the seat post like this. They'll pay for it. The customer service is absolutely amazing on this bike because I reached out to them and they hit me back even on the day where they said that they were supposed to be closed or off or whatever. So customer service is great. So far, so good. So far, I like it. So far, you know, I don't have any complaints, and it is, you know, an e-bike. Lectric, hence the name. It does fold up. It's not folded right now, but it does fold up. Very easy to assemble out of the box, and you know, we like her. We like her a lot. The only thing that I had a problem with was I wanted the purple one, and the purple one was sold out, but it's okay. We got white. I'm probably gonna decorate it up just so that I can personalize it. So it is what it is, and you can personalize white very easily. So this is my 3rd official ride on this bike. The first one was, it was decent. The second one was yesterday, but there was a little mishap on the train and I didn't get to ride it the way that I want to. So this is kind of like my first, second, third, like official ride. My 3rd ride is like my official ride. So it's kind of like my first. I don't know. I don't even know how to explain it. But anyways, I'm going to take you with me on this trail, and we're just going to have like a little ride together. Technically, we can say that this is our first ride. So we gonna ride together. So there's not going to be like a lot of long talking in this video. You guys are just going to get scenery, bike, me, and trail. You can watch it if you want to watch it. If you don't want to watch it, don't watch it. But now we ride. Now we get to going. Now we get to exploring this trail. Let's go. Turn that thing on like that. Riding along on the trail. Yes, we are. We love this bike. Ooh, 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 ooh. Stupid. I definitely have to get some cycling shades because the way a bug just flew in my eye right now, out of control. I'm still trying to blink it out. I'm sure there's a gnat in my right eye right now, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We learn as we go. I also got to buy a helmet. I was supposed to buy a helmet yesterday. Didn't feel like going to the store, so here we are again outside with no helmet. But we gonna get it together. We're definitely gonna get it together because I'm going to be doing a whole lot of this because it's fun. So we're gonna end the video here because I have to go down some busy streets. I ain't got no helmet, I ain't got no glasses, so that's it, that's all. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, because we are definitely going to be doing more adventurous stuff like this to come. All right, y'all, bye.